In this video, we will show you how to replace your AC condenser on this Honda Accord. This will be located behind your front bumper. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. The first thing you need to do is safely evacuate the AC system. There's refrigerant in there and it needs to be safely removed. Let's make our way along the front of the vehicle. We're going to remove this plastic panel. You'll find it's held in place with several push clips. Most of them you can pop out the center and remove them. The two that are along each corner here, you will have to remove the center by unscrewing it a little bit, and then you can remove the outer portion as well. Once you have that out of place, just go ahead and put it back together, give it a close inspection, make sure it is still reusable. We'll continue on to the rest of the push clips, gently lifting up on the center to unlock them and pull them right out of place. Remove that from the vehicle. Now let's have a look down inside the lower grille of your front bumper cover. You can see the lower AC line leading to that AC condenser. Use a 10mm, remove the bolt, and remove the line from the AC condenser. We'll take hold of the line, give it a little wiggle, and pull it away from the AC condenser. Right next to that is where you're going to find an electrical connector. To disconnect this electrical connector, we'll be pressing in on the locking tab. While pressing in on that, lift the electrical connector up and off. Use some pliers, just reach in here, squeeze that lock-in tab. Screwdriver in here, just pry this up. There we are. Go ahead and give that electrical connector a quick inspection, make sure you don't see any corrosion. This one looks fine. Now we can move into the upper grille along the passenger side. You'll find that you have your upper line leading to that AC condenser. This has a 10mm nut holding it in place. We'll reach inside here and remove the line from the AC condenser. Back up inside the engine compartment, we'll continue on with removing our two brackets that hold the radiator in place. We can pull the radiator back and away so we can gain access to that AC condenser. Use our 10mm. Go ahead and remove each of those bolts. Remove the bracket. Now we have a little bit of movement from the radiator, but we need some more. Along this area, right in front of the battery, you'll find a plastic casing. We'll use a trim tool to pop the one mounting point out of place. Just a small push clip. Now we have plenty of room to push the radiator back and away from the AC condenser. Along each side of the AC condenser, along the top, you will find that you have a bracket that comes across and it's held in place to the body of the vehicle with a 10mm bolt. We'll start over here on the driver's side, remove this bolt, and then we'll do the same on the passenger side. Once you have each of those brackets loose, the AC condenser can move around freely. We'll continue on by lifting this straight up and out of here, being extremely careful not to damage the fins on the radiator. Bring the condenser over to the bench. We are going to have to remove several parts from this and swap it over to the brand new condenser. Along the side, you have this area that had the electrical connector that went to it. Go ahead and use a 24mm to remove this. At this point, we'll tip up the AC condenser, remove the original gasket, compare it to the new gasket. We'll take the new gasket and slide it right in place. Along the bottom area of the AC condenser, you will also have your two rubber bushings. Slide those right off the bottom of the condenser, give them a quick inspection. We'll set those aside. Now let's follow the AC condenser up to the top brackets. For this side, we have a 7mm headed bolt holding this bracket in place. There's also a stud that comes from the bracket straight on down through the AC condenser, but that will come out with the bracket once we have this bolt removed. For the other side bracket, you will have to turn the AC condenser over. This side has a 10mm headed nut holding that stud in place. Now we can recycle this properly. Okay, let's prepare our brand new AC condenser for installation. We'll lay it down. Now we can start on each of our brackets. Put that in place. Start the 10mm nut on here and snug it up. Right there is bottomed out. Just make sure it's nice and tight. We'll do the other side. This is the side that has the mounting bolt that goes through it as well. We'll remove that plug. Now we can install this. Along the bottom of the AC condenser, we'll put on our rubber mounts. The next thing we'll want to do is apply 1 ounce of clean, new PAG oil directly to the AC condenser. To do this, we'll remove the rubber plug from the top port. I've got a pre-measured 1 ounce cup of PAG oil. There we are. Let's reinstall your plug, and now we can get this over to the vehicle. Before we put the new AC condenser in place, it's important to pay attention to each of your 2 AC lines that are going to go into the condenser. Each one of these will have a rubber O-ring that you need to replace, clean and inspect the line, and then we'll put on the brand new O-ring. We'll pop this right off of here. That line looks good. I found the O-ring that should fit over this. Slide it in position. There we are. It's a nice tight fit. Now we will lubricate this with oil, but first let's replace the other O-ring as well. I've got the gasket that matches up. We'll slide this in place. It's nice and tight. Let's add our lubricant to these. This one. There we are. Carefully slide your AC condenser into the proper position. Once you've done so, we'll continue on with each of those two lines. To resecure the line, remove your protective plug. We'll start in that lower line, start in the bolt, snug it up, torque that to 7.2 foot-pounds. There we are. Since we're down here, let's reconnect our electrical connector. Get this on here. This top one in here. We'll start on that nut and torque it to 7.2 foot-pounds. Now we can start securing the AC condenser to the body of the vehicle. Start in each one of those side bolts, snug them up, and then torque those to 7.2 foot-pounds as well. Let's get this plastic cover on here. Now we can resecure our radiator. Let's get our front plastic on here. Let's start putting in our push clips. You remember, as we had removed them, we had two different types. The smaller ones will go on each corner. All others will make their way across the center. To install your push clips, doesn't matter what size, make sure it's in the unlocked position with the center pulled up. Slide the outer portion down and into position. Lock it in with the center by pressing that down. Okay friend, we fully installed our AC condenser. At this point, you want to close the hood. Take your vehicle for a road test down to your local shop that will refill the AC system with the proper amount of refrigerant. Let them know that you added 1 ounce of clean PAG oil directly to that AC condenser so they know how much they have to add with their machine. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.